To fix a washing machine that won't spin, start by examining the drain hose, as a damaged or clogged hose can prevent the machine from functioning properly. The drain hose, located at the back of the washing machine, should be inspected for any blockages or damage. If the hose is bent, straighten it, and ensure that water can flow freely from the machine. If the hose is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Additionally, an uneven load can also prevent the machine from spinning, as the sensors within the washing machine will stop it from spinning if it becomes unbalanced. To resolve this issue, make sure to distribute the weight evenly and avoid overloading the machine. Filling the drum no more than 3/4 full. Another possible cause is a faulty lid switch, which determines whether the lid is closed. If the lid switch is not working correctly, the washing machine won't spin. To address this problem, locate the lid switch, typically found under the lid at the top of the washing machine, and check if it's bent or damaged. If it's bent, try to restore it to its original shape, but if it's not working properly, replacement will be necessary. By checking and addressing these potential issues, you should be able to fix a washing machine that won't spin.